Let me help you find the car invoice price without entering your email or contact information. Okay, you're going to go to jdpower.com/car. In the middle of that screen is a big blue button called Choose a Make. You're going to click that button and you're going to choose the make of the vehicle you're looking at. Scroll down and find that make. I'm going to choose Ford, and you're going to select a year. I'm going to leave it at 2023. That's defaulted there. And I'm going to choose the 2023 Bronco Sport. We're going to select a trim. I'm just going to choose the base. And you do need to enter a zip code. Click select, and then you're going to choose, it's going to already be defaulted to a new condition. You can choose to price it with the standard equipment or select your options. And I'm going to choose options for the trim. I'm going to choose a paint color, and I'm going to choose hot pepper red. I'm going to click next, and in about under 1 minute you've found the invoice price. If you scroll to the middle of the page, you're going to see what people are paying. They have an average price here. Below that is this row where it says invoice. This is the number you're looking for, $29,241. Next to that is an MSRP of $29,710. And that is how you find the car invoice price.